Hi all and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing one of the most insane unboxings yet. The great people at Mobile Pixels have sent me one of the strangest yet most compelling products I have ever heard of, and it's called the Duex Max. And what it does is essentially give your laptop an extra screen. It sounds ridiculous, but it sort of makes sense because when I work at my desk at home, I love having two displays, whether it's having Final Cut open in one monitor and Premiere Pro in the other, or simply just spreading a million documents around two screens. Having the extra space is just so nice to have. But unfortunately, when working remotely, that's not the easiest thing to do. So let's see if the Mobile Pixels Duex Max is the revolution that we didn't know we needed. So the Duex series comes in three sizes, ranging from 12.5 to 14.1 inches, and this is the largest of the lot, which is made for laptops of 14 inches and over. So as my MacBook Pro is of the 16-inch variety, the Max version is the version I've decided to get. So the screen is 1080p, it's a decent resolution, and it weighs just 1.8 pounds in total, and it plugs into your laptop via USB-C for both power and video signal, so it's very easy to use. And here it is. It kind of looks insane, but let's set it up. So over here, obviously we've got the cable, we've got our instructions over here, and I think this is the magnet aligning tool. Okay, so I definitely need to take a look at the instruction card and see how to set it up. So we've got a choice over here. I can scan the code, I can go to the website, or I could just flip this over. Why would you just not flip it over? Ridiculous, guys, too much choice. And I think this helps you align the magnets. Okay, so first what I need to do apparently is to clean the surface with an alcohol pad. Usually I skip this step because that's annoying. And I like to imagine that my laptop's clean, but let's just set it up anyway. For external use only. Okay, I feel that this little pad probably isn't enough to clean my whole MacBook. Is this right? Okay, so let's clean. Okay, then you wait 10 seconds for it to dry. Then after that, I'm supposed to align this to the back of the laptop. Okay, so since my laptop is above 16 inches, it's kind of 16 inches, I have to pick a side. So do I want it to open on the left or the right? I probably want it on the right of the main display because that's how I usually have it. So I'm just gonna align it towards the side here, like so, and then stick the magnets on. So there's the first one, here's the second one. Sorry if you can't see this very well, I'm concentrating very hard. I'm gonna press down to make sure that it's adhered properly. Okay, so now I remove this. Oh, we've got extra sticky things over here. So if you want to take it off later, you definitely can. So I've got these magnets on the back of my MacBook now, for better or worse. So I think from seeing iJustine's video, what you do is just stick this onto the back like so. And oh my God, I guess it's on the back of my laptop now. So it clicks in place. So usually it's like this, and then you just slide it out like so. And there you have your screen. Look at that. That is kind of insane. Oh my God, it's really neat actually. So it's like, so here's my laptop, it's fine. I can take it off if I want to. And then to open it, I just open my lid like normal. And then I slide this out. And then the actual screen comes out like so. And what I'm seeing right now is this. And then you can adjust it to your likings. And that's grand. Oh my God. Okay, let's peel away the screen protector. Or this protector thing. Is that it? That wasn't a protector at all. It's just a little sticker. Okay, so let's try plugging it in now. Okay, so we've got an adapter over here if you're still using USB-A. But since I don't live in 2015, I've got USB-C. Okay, so this is like a Thunderbolt thing. So I've got Thunderbolt, right? Let's plug it in there. And the other end goes into the computer like so. Oh my God, you see that? It's turning on. And basically, oh my God, I've got 2 displays now. Look at that. Okay, so I really like how you can tilt it towards you. But basically, I could be like, you know, I'm at a coffee store. I take my laptop out. It opens like so. And then all of a sudden, I've got 2 screens, and that's fantastic. The quality isn't too bad. It's a matte screen, as we can see, and it's got a maximum of 300 nits, and it's 1080p. So while it doesn't look quite as good as the amazing MacBook Pro's monitor, it's more than good enough. And let's just try opening up a few apps, shall we? So we've got Final Cut Pro over here. Let's see how that looks on 2 monitors. So instead of just editing on here, what you can do is go into Window, Show in Secondary Display Viewers. So I can have my waveform monitor and my viewer over there, and I can have this entire space for all of my projects and stuff. That is very cool. And let's try out another app. Let's see how we can try just popping a Safari browser over here, and we can have another up. We can have 2 instances of the same website open. This is all very cool. And then once you're done with it, you can literally just pack it up. And that's it. That's so easy, look at that. And another really cool feature with this particular monitor is that not only can you just use it for yourself and be really selfish and hold both screens, but if there's someone behind you, just say that you're presenting a PowerPoint to someone, you can actually flip it back and they can have a monitor too. Look at that, that is insane. How cool is that? And what's also really good with this is that you're actually able to take it off and use it with a device like a Nintendo Switch. So if you want a Nintendo Switch display on the go, this is a fantastic option. And you can sort of like keep it propped up like so. So in conclusion, do I think that the Mobile Pixels Duex is ridiculous? I mean, I definitely do, but at the same time, I also think that it's one of the most amazing and unusual gadgets in the entire world. So if you want to find out more about the Duex display, the link is in the bio. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And until next time, toodaloo.